Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Affirm with Teachable. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating Affirm with your Teachable account, allowing you to offer financing options to your customers. First, let's start with the basics. Affirm is a financing platform that enables customers to pay for purchases over time, while Teachable is an online course creation platform. By integrating Affirm with Teachable, you can provide your customers with flexible payment options, increasing sales and revenue. To get started, you need to have a Teachable account and an Affirm account. If you don't have an Affirm account, sign up for one and follow the instructions to complete the setup process. Once you have both accounts, navigate to your Teachable dashboard and click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, click on Payments and then select Affirm as your payment gateway. You will be prompted to enter your Affirm API keys, which can be found in your Affirm dashboard. Copy and paste the API keys into the corresponding fields in Teachable and click Save. Next, configure your Affirm settings in Teachable. This includes setting the minimum and maximum loan amounts, as well as the interest rates and repayment terms. You can also customize the Affirm payment option to match your brand, including the color scheme and wording. Now, let's talk about how Affirm works with Teachable. When a customer checks out, they will see the Affirm payment option along with other payment methods. If they choose to use Affirm, they will be redirected to the Affirm website to complete the financing application. Once approved, the customer will be redirected back to Teachable to complete the purchase. Best practices for using Affirm with Teachable include clearly disclosing the financing terms and conditions to your customers, as well as providing excellent customer support to ensure a smooth checkout process. You should also regularly review your Affirm settings and analytics to optimize your sales and revenue. In conclusion, integrating Affirm with Teachable is a straightforward process that can help you increase sales and revenue by providing flexible payment options to your customers. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start using Affirm with Teachable today and take your online course business to the next level.